Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. It might be snowy and salty here where I live, but I don't have to worry about my license plate frame thanks to this awesome frame from Intermerge. This is a universal frame that is completely made out of silicone and it protects my license plate all day long. These license plate frames are durable and universally ready for any license plate that you have. I really love that they included great hardware to go with it, and it was really easy install for my license plates. They slip right into the outside panel, and you can see that back panel is nice and secure and made of a durable silicone. The plate frames fit right onto my car, including inside the existing plate frame on my car, so I can easily swap out my license plates for this frame. The frame is secure, it holds the plate in place with no problem, and I really love that even if it's a salty, crazy winter, the frames will easily wash, but they won't hold rust and they won't hold water because they're completely ready to drain out any water, protecting my license plate. I really wanted a plate frame that was simple and basic and that I could easily swap out my dealer's frame with, and this fit the bill perfectly. It makes me feel like my plate is securely locked to my car so that I can drive around safely and not worry about it rusting or falling off. But that's just my point of view.